Hi, everyone. Our next workshop is You Are Not Your Thoughts. This workshop is all about intrusive thoughts. Everybody gets intrusive thoughts. Things pop in, things pop out. We forget the right things, we get the wrong ones. And the more that we try to push those intrusive thoughts away, the more we try to stop them, the worse they seem to become. We deal with this all the time in the anxiety clinic, and intrusive thoughts can make life very, very miserable. However, this workshop is totally free and you'll get some bonus resources as well. We've got the Uninvited Thought Toolkit, which is a PDF workbook, which will help you to go through all the information we're going to talk about so that you can easily take control of your intrusive thoughts. And the second bonus that we're giving away totally free is Calm the Uninvited Thoughts, which is a hypnosis recording that if you just listen to that a couple of times a week will help to calm it down. So we're doing this live on Tuesday, the 11th of August at 6:30. And for those who can't make the live workshop, if you register anyway, you will be sent those resources as soon as they're available. So don't forget, Tuesday, the 11th of August, You Are Not Your Thoughts, a workshop all about intrusive thoughts. And you've got those two important bonuses there if you can't make the live, but there'll also be a replay. I look forward to seeing you all there.